Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make homemade unsalted butter. Making your own butter is surprisingly simple and requires just one main ingredient: heavy cream. You'll also need some basic kitchen equipment like a stand mixer or a food processor. We'll guide you through each step, from selecting the right cream to storing your delicious fresh butter. Get ready to enjoy a truly fresh dairy product. Begin by pouring your very cold heavy cream into your mixer bowl. Start whipping it on a medium-high speed. Initially, the cream will transform into fluffy whipped cream. Keep mixing, and after about 5 to 10 minutes, you'll notice a distinct change. The cream will curdle, and then the butter solids will begin to separate from the liquid buttermilk. This is the magic happening. Once the butter solids and buttermilk have fully separated, it's time to strain them. Pour the mixture through a fine mesh sieve or cheesecloth to collect the butter. Don't discard the liquid. That's fresh buttermilk, perfect for pancakes or biscuits. Next, place the butter in a bowl of ice-cold water and knead it gently. This washing step removes any remaining buttermilk, which is crucial for longer shelf life. Continue kneading and rinsing the butter in fresh ice water until the water runs completely clear. This ensures all buttermilk is removed. Now, press out any excess water using a spatula or your hands. You can then shape your fresh butter into a block, logs, or any desired form. Wrap it tightly in parchment paper or plastic wrap. Store your delicious homemade unsalted butter in the refrigerator for up to 2 weeks or freeze it for longer storage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.